Like literally I barely know what any of this is. Hello guys, I am here with Asha and Ben, my old friend from high school, young friend from high school. We're here, we are in Ubud, but we're at Sayan Night Market. It's kind of a place more for the locals really. There's loads of food and stuff. I've seen some photos of like goldfish, you can buy goldfish. I think like over here maybe it's more like a child's area. There's like little 4x4s that you can drive, you know, to kind of build you into eventually getting your own motorcycle, I guess. You know, you can test drive like in a little electric nothingness. Anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the food. We're here for dinner. We're here for something I haven't tried. Maybe if we can find it, or some of our favorites. There are like, I don't know how many stalls are here, but you can see, to me it looks like 50s to 100s. So yeah, let's go have a look around. Yes, I'll introduce you maybe to, well then, in a bit. They're talking amongst themselves. Here's Ben.
Hello.
Here's Asha. You know her. You know her. Yeah, cool. There's Blair. We're gonna go in there somewhere and have a look around. Nice one, guys. Yes. Okay, guys. Everybody else is eating already. Everybody else is eating already. They started without me. They started without me.
I was forced upon me.
Got all sorts of things. I don't even know what that is. I think it's maybe some sort of skin.
Maybe.
I don't know. Like literally I barely know what any of this is. This is some sort of rice. This is also some sort of rice. Probably sweet, probably sweet, probably sweet. This is like dim sum, Korean dim sum. Asha's in on the gibrick.
And there is a part there that is swimming in sambal, so that will be for you.
Alright.
Oh, you can't handle the heat?
No, she doesn't like spice.
I don't.
So I'm gonna try this one. Okay, I still don't know what it is. Crunchy though, and it's deep fried. Just gotta wash my teeth because I have just been to the dentist today.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't know.
How does it taste like?
Tastes a bit like potato.
I got a chicken bowl with an egg in it.
Wow.
Wow.
That's something different.
Have a look.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Looks like
Scottish egg.
yeah, it's a bit like Scotch egg. Wow. I ate it. I don't know what it is. But
Tastes deep fried or like?
yeah, it was deep fried. It was kind of, if I had to imagine what it was like sweet potato shaved into a sheet. So it was like thin, and then like with something on it.
Where is it? You ate it all?
No, this one. There's more here. I got 3 of these. I got 3 of these. Yeah, that's the same thing. Again, what are these?
I don't know. Something called martabak mini.
Those are Martabak Mini?
Yeah. So that's your dessert.
But it's a vegetable.
No, Martabak is the savoury thing.
Oh, okay. I thought that was a dessert one.
No, they come together. But the one that you, like the dessert one is called, what is it? Bulang.
Bulang.
But they're both like made at the same place. So we always call them Martabak anyway.
I don't really know what's that. It's very jelly.
Yeah, jelly, it's kind of like
But
potato.
vegetable.
I think it's potato and fish.
Not big.
And then I got one of these. Kind of like wonton-ish type situation. And these all did come with a satay. It's a bit hectic here, I apologize if there's like noise and things around. Gosh, I'm trying to
have a sweet.
Oh wow, you got one of these?
Oh wow, what's that? Rice with some beans.
It's me too?
Coconut.
Oh, it's coconut. It is sweet.
Coconut with beans. But
Yeah.
spicy.
Spicy. Wow. Again, then I got this. So this is,
Coconut but spicy.
you don't like it? Too spicy.
Just too spicy.
Oh.
You're trying it again, just in case.
I'm gonna eat it.
So this has kind of got like onion, some other stuff. Maybe some carrot.
Maybe I will.
I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know.
It looks like
It's like a wonton. It's a wonton basically.
That's a prawn.
That's a different one. Again.
That's really good. That's like fish. This one though?
That's the fish one?
Uh-huh.
Those ones are fresh. They're like straight out. Like straight out of the pan. I'm going to try this thing Asha didn't like.
What's this sauce?
That's satay.
Sweet.
Well, that's sweet chili, which was actually for the dim sum. Yeah, this isn't what I thought it was. So I thought this was going to be like a sweet thing as well.
No, that's spicy.
It's kind of like curried something. Yeah. Yeah. No, Ben's got through his soup already.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, really good.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you tried that?
Yeah, that's the wonton thing. So I might try. I'm going to try dim sum. I had a lot of chicken lately, to be honest.
I think I had a bit too much chili today.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna eat it because it's dancing in sambal.
Yeah, yeah. So this is like Korean dim sum.
Green, purple.
Korean.
Oh, green.
Go on?
Wanna go?
Yeah, I mean, we got three of each basically. This sauce is for them. I don't know what that.
Don't know what it is.
Don't know what they are.
Yeah.
They're all just
That's satay and then that's...
yeah. They kind of mixed it. That was. And then this one is again, I don't know.
There's some sort of meat.
Yeah.
And
Dim
there's vegetable.
dim sum, right?
Yeah.
It's like chicken, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe a chicken.
Maybe pork.
Maybe pork. If it's Korean, I mean, is that
Maybe.
babi? Babi, sabi? It's not sabi. Again, and this is what?
Which one
Like
is-
fish, like a fishy pakora.
Maybe. That's so good this thing.
No, it's just a pakora. It's not fishy.
Maybe you had different one.
No, it's really
Mine
good.
was round one. What's pakora?
Pakora is like a Indian thing. Indian dough ball.
Pakora in Polish means humble.
Oh, maybe it kind of is humble in some respect.
And this is a present for who?
Open it up. There's all sorts of craziness in there. Okay, and then I've got another one of these like kind of random parcel things. It's kind of a gamble as to whether it's sweet or savory. I would say this one might be a savory one as well. It smells kind of savorish.
That's sausage. Chicken.
Chicken, you reckon?
Which one's that?
Chicken. Purple chicken. I get purple stuff since yesterday.
Yeah, I've had this one. I've had this before.
Wow, what's this?
I don't know.
Kidney.
It's something that I probably don't know what. I don't want to know what that one is.
That's kidney. Looks like kidney.
No, it's minced though.
Kidney looks kind of like that.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to try this. This looks like, well, I could say
So I'm gonna have.
something.
This is obviously the chabrek. We've all had this before, haven't we?
This looks like tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go with that.
I like that.
People are too scared of my food. I don't know. I choose these things.
Well, when it's wrapped up in something like that, you
When
don't know.
yeah, exactly. When it's wrapped up like this, who knows what it is?
What about this?
Oh no.
Yeah, go for it.
You would probably do all of them at once.
Yeah, I don't really need to. There's all this chili
I've learned
here.
that lesson a couple of times.
I've been to India, but this is spicy. Seriously.
Oh,
Gosh, look. It's having a sambal cucumber.
oh yeah, that's right.
It's good, but I don't understand why they give me the small one.
We still don't know what this one is? Anybody?
Temper!
Pembe. Yes, that's right. We worked that one out at least. Bit of a wreckage here, people. Bit of a wreckage.
Try these things. Oh, what's that? Skin.
This is all sweet.
Yeah, but there's a jello skin. That is sweet rice. It's
Yeah,
really good.
all of this is sweet. Some more rice,
I
something
don't know
or
where
other.
mango. This is mango or this is a cow skin?
I don't think it's cow skin.
Because
not cow
once
skin.
we thought it's what's the fruit? Jackfruit?
What is it?
Durian?
Jackfruit.
Jack.
No, jackfruit, yeah.
And then they told us, no, it's not jackfruit, it's cow skin. Medawi, here we come. It's a corn dog with matcha. I thought I will eat that every week, but no one had that. So here it is, matcha corn dog.
Is that the mozzarella corn dogs?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Had it on the street in Medawi once.
Okay, well, while Ash is trying to get in there, I've got this. Little pink things. Also sweet. Yeah, they wobble as well. Okay, and then one of these. We know we've all had one of these. Yes. It's got like a little. It's got a bean thing in it. Oh, here's the bean. Very chewy. Red beans. Gosh,
Very sesame.
this vlog is very difficult, people. It's very difficult to vlog for 3 people, I'm afraid. I apologize, but look, we're all having fun. We're all happy. We're all eating loads of food. I do want to try that. Yes. Definitely.
That's good.
Generally speaking, we have no idea what any of these things are called. So please, my Indonesian watchers, please comment down below. I know you want to. Tell us what any of this is. Any of it.
No, these are Korean
Oh yeah, these are
dim
not.
sum.
Strange enough.
This is corn dog. This was
This is corn
chicken
dog.
geprek. So
Yeah,
we
it's
don't
great.
know what
Like,
was
what's the name of that in Indonesia? Not
corn dog.
Yeah, it is. No, yeah, they call it corn dog.
It is.
Yeah.
You haven't tried that? Give him something to try. No, you gotta try this.
Okay, it's all getting a bit out of control. I'm
Oh
gonna.
wow, there's a bowl inside.
Yeah, that's the bean. It's like bean paste. Cool.
Different than the one in Bandung.
No, exactly the same. Okay, gonna stop now because I'm eating some food and I've got stuff and things. And things are happening. Okay, guys.
Is
So
calling it you. Hold on.
food, and if you tell people have a good food, it means
all the food is gone. Well, mostly. We are full. Asher is full.
very.
Ben is full. No, Ben's on the phone. He's got business. He's got business with people. What is this?
Watermelon, orange, car
With the
juice.
cars. Car juice. Ash has been drinking a car juice. That's good. That'll keep her going for a while. Yes, I think I'm full. So yeah, we are done in terms of food, I think. Oh yeah, well I have to pay for the water. Oh, permisi.
Very delicious. Lezat.
Lizat,
And,
all around.
Good food, basically.
Yeah, good food.
Salamat Mekar.
Maybe a bit of a messy, messy table, messy vlog. That's
Messy
okay.
than messy.
Oh yeah, definitely. No, I've had enough.
Green.
Definitely had enough of that.
Green Lombok.
Green lombok. Those are chilies. I thought I was going to get through at least 2 of those chilies, but it didn't happen. Okay, so that's kind of it. We'll maybe have a little walk around down in the. Yeah, I might go have a look at the shopping market thing. They do have bags and things down here as well.
Oh, bad.
But that'll do. That'll do. Okay guys, so now we're through the other half of the market, which is kind of all more clothes, bags, bras, children's clothing. Saw some shoes over at some other side. So yeah, we're gonna have a little look around. Not really too keen on looking for too much stuff at the moment. Hello!
Hello!
Where else we got? Oh shit. Gosh, way too warm to wear any of those though. Wow, loads of stuff here. Sounds like birds. You saw the goldfish already. It's a bit strange where the goldfish are kind of halfway in between the stuff and the food. I guess it's a bit of both. I don't know. Yeah, wow. Now there's like all the kind of, I guess, bargain clothing down here. And some shoes. Okay, cool. I might do a bit of footage around here just to sort of show you, get a bit more of a feel for the place. And then something. Let's just do that now, yes? Good. Okay guys, so that was Sayan Night Market. They're going away though. Well, we're going away. We're gonna go. Yeah, really nice. Goes till like 11 o'clock. I think it's like 6 p.m. till 11 p.m. most nights, every night. It's quite quiet now actually. It's kind of quieting down already. I guess for dinner everybody comes out and then it kind of tapers off towards the end. But yeah, I'm very full. Ash is full.
Yeah,
Ben's full. We're all full.
There's some clothes if you want, but it reminds me about my local market near my house in Poland, with some like pants, jumpers, you know, socks and toys and everything. So if you're in need of those, it's good to come here maybe and check out some food and get some pants.
Yeah. And there's Ben.
Hello. I like the food, but I didn't need any underwear.
You don't need any underwear?
No,
Not yet.
Underwear and kids' clothes.
Okay, so I'm going to wrap this one up here-ish. You met Ben. Ben will also be back tomorrow.
Yay! The trip tomorrow!
We're all-
Adventure!
We're all going to around 4 places. I don't even know what they're called.
Bedugu Lake. Then we're going to
The gate.
the gate thing.
Yeah.
And then we're going to Tigalalung rice terraces.
To Galalang.
Tigalalung, that's it, thank you. And then we're going
We're in the way
to
again. Sorry, I'm just gonna wrap it up there. You'll have to find out tomorrow what it all is coming at you.
it's 4 places.
4 places.
Waterfall, the rice terraces, a gate, and a lake with amazing temple.
Yes, with us 3 and a driver. We get to meet a driver. We get to have a driver. Yeah, we'll talk about it more tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, and he'll see you on the next one as well. Until then, keep on drifting.